Hello everyone, we're exploring Higgs Field, one of the fastest growing generative AI companies built with a clear mission to make AI video creation simple, powerful, and truly creator-friendly. With a single platform, Higgs Field gives you access to some of the world's most advanced AI models, including Nano Banana Pro, Kling 6 Audio, 1, 2.5, and more. Their latest release, Cinema Studio, is a game changer. It's the world's first end-to-end AI filmmaking pipeline, allowing you to go from a carefully designed first frame to a fully polished cinematic video. In this video, we'll choose a model, build a concept, and turn it into a complete production. Let's see just how smooth and powerful AI video creation has become. So first, I'm going to try Nano Banana Pro, which is the next evolution of AI image generation, powered by the advanced Gemini 3 reasoning engine. It's designed to create photorealistic 4K visuals with excellent prompt understanding and incredibly fast generation speeds. Inside Nano Banana Pro, you simply write your prompt. If you're not sure what to create, you can also choose from the random prompt suggestions available in the platform. After writing my prompt, I move on to the settings. Here, you can select the screen or aspect ratio. Choose the image quality from 1K, 2K, or 4K and decide how many images you want to generate. For this demo, I selected one image. You also have the option to enable the draw mode if needed. Once all the settings are configured, I click on Generate. And within seconds, the image is ready. As you can see, the result perfectly matches my prompt and looks incredibly clean and realistic. Nano Banana Pro clearly understands text prompts better and delivers high-quality, seamless image generation with impressive speed. Now let's move on to Kling 2.6. Here, I'm going to transform the image we created earlier into a fully animated video with audio. I've selected Kling 2.6 General Mode and uploaded the image generated using Nano Banana Pro. After that, I wrote my prompt and enabled the audio option. You can also choose the video duration. For this demo, I selected 10 seconds and I've kept the aspect ratio set to auto. Once everything was ready, I clicked Generate. The video started processing and in just a short time, it was complete. Let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the video has been generated incredibly well. The audio is perfectly synchronized with the visuals. The ambience, motion, and voice all feel natural and well balanced. There's no need for any extra editing, plugins, or external tools. What really stands out here is the motion, fidelity, and prompt accuracy. Kling's 2.6 delivers smoother movement, higher precision, and crisp full 1080p output. Honestly, the results are absolutely mind-blowing. Now, let's try the latest release, Cinema Studio. Here, you're given two options, image or video. I'll start by creating an image first. I entered my prompt and then selected the number of images, the aspect ratio, and the image quality. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Cinema Studio lets you choose real cinema hardware settings. You can select the camera, lens, focal length, and aperture. For this shot, I set the focal length to 50 millimeters. After saving these settings, I click Generate, and this is the result. Just look at it. The sharpness, depth, lighting, and focus. Everything looks absolutely stunning. It genuinely feels like a professionally shot cinematic frame. Now, moving on to the video creation. Here, you can select both a start frame and an end frame. For the start frame, I use the image I just generated. Then, I wrote my prompt and selected the camera movement. Next, I selected the aspect ratio and video duration, enabled audio, and also turned on the slow motion effect. Once everything was set, I clicked Generate, and within moments, The video was ready. Let's take a look. Just watch how incredible this looks. The slow motion effect is perfectly applied. The camera movement, the glass shattering, the liquid dynamics. Everything feels smooth, realistic, and cinematic. This isn't just an AI clip, it's a true cinematic shot. Absolutely outstanding. Cinema Studio is the first end-to-end AI filmmaking workflow that handles the entire production process in one unified pipeline. You can create consistent shots with proper framing, lighting, and cinematic structure all in a single flow. What makes it even more powerful is the use of real cinema cameras and lenses as style anchors, ensuring visual consistency and intentional storytelling. The result is a film-like look with richer texture, depth, and a true cinematic tone.
Ensuring visual consistency and intentional storytelling. The result is a film-like look with richer texture, depth, and a true cinematic tone. And this is just the beginning. What you've seen today is how far AI video creation has evolved. And HiggsField is right at the center of that transformation, bringing faster workflows, cinematic control, and production quality results into one creator-friendly platform. With tools like Nano Banana Pro, WAN 2.5, and the all-new Cinema Studio, HiggsField makes it possible to go from a simple idea to a fully produced cinematic video, without compromise. If you're a filmmaker, a content creator, or someone passionate about visual storytelling, this completely changes what's possible. Try it yourself. Click the link in the description and let me know which HiggsField feature impressed you the most. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.